हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ केमिस्ट्री के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जिसके कि बोर्ड एग्जाम में आने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांस हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हुए शुरू करते हैं। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन, एक्सप्लेन विथ वन एग्जाम्पल। तो इसका आंसर होगा, केमिकल रिएक्शन इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच one or more substances react to form new substances with different properties. For example, when magnesium burns in air, it forms magnesium oxide. Now, second number question is, why is it necessary to balance a chemical equation? Explain with an example. So the answer is, a chemical equation must be balanced to satisfy the law of conservation of mass, which states that mass is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Here is an example. Now the third number question is, differentiate between acids, base and salts. Give one example of each. So the answer is, acids produce H positive ions in aqueous solution and bases produce OH negative ions in aqueous solution. Salts are formed by the reaction of an acid and a base. यहाँ पे तीनों के एक एग्जाम्पल दिए हुए, एसिड में HCl, बेस में NaOH and salts में NaCl. Now, fourth number question is, what happens when calcium oxide reacts with water? Write the chemical equation. So the answer is, chemical oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. The reaction is exothermic and the equation is CaO plus H2O combines to form calcium hydroxide and heat. Now the fifth number question is, write any two differences between metals and non-metals. तो मेटल्स और नॉन मेटल्स के बीच दो डिफरेंस है कि मेटल गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होता है और नॉन मेटल पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होता है। मैटर मैलिएबल एंड डक्टाइल होता है, नॉन मेटल ब्रिटल होता है। Now the sixth number question is, what happens when aqueous solutions of sodium chloride and silver nitrate are mixed? So the answer is, a double displacement reaction occurs and a white precipitate of silver chloride is formed. Now the seventh number question is, what is difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons? So the answer is, saturated hydrocarbons contain only single bonds between carbon atoms like methane, and unsaturated hydrocarbons contain double or triple bonds between carbon atoms like ethane. Now eighth number question is, what is corrosion? Give one example and one method to prevent it. So the answer is, corrosion is the slow destruction of metals by chemical reactions with the environment. Example is rusting of iron, and prevention is painting and galvanization. Now the ninth number question is, what is pH scale? Explain its importance with one daily life example. So the answer is, the pH scale is used to measure the acidity and basicity of a solution. Its value range from 0 to 14. For example, pH of acid rain is less than 5.6, which can damage crops and buildings. Now the 10th number question is, define displacement reaction. Write one balanced chemical equation. The answer is, a displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. There is an equation given which show displacement reaction. तो आज का ये वीडियो यहीं पे एंड होता है। ऐसे ही मजेदार और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा चैनल, और वीडियो अगर पसंद आई हो तो लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करें। थैंक यू।